Hi, in this video we will discuss few important questions from the topic percentages. First one, if A's income is 10% more than B's income, how much percentage is B's income less than A's income? So we will assume B's income as 100. So A's income is 10% more. So it is plus 10. It is 100 plus 10. It is 110 rupees. And the difference between A's income and B's income is 10 rupees divided by, we have to compare with A's income. It is divided by 110 into 100. Here we get 100 divided by 11. It is 9 1 by 11%. Third option. Next one. How much of 66 2 by 3% of 312 exceeds 200? We know that 33 1 by 3% is 1 by 3 and 66 2 by 3% is what? It is 2 by 3. So 2/3 of 312 is what? 2/3 of 312 is 2 into 104. It is 208. 208 exceeds 200 by 8 rupees. Third option. Next one, the income of Raju is 20% more than his expenditure. So we will assume his expenditure is 100 rupees and the income is 20% more. So it is 100 plus 20, it is 120 rupees. If his income increases by 60%, so if his income increases by 60%, so it is plus 60, 100 plus 60, it is 160% of 120. It is 160 divided by 100 into 120. It is 16 into 12. It is 6 into 2, 12 plus 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. It is 192 is the new income. And his expenditure increases by 70%. So it is 100 plus 70. It is 170 rupees is the new expenditure. So what is his savings? His previous savings is 120 minus 100. It is 20 rupees. And his new savings is what? It is 192 minus 170. It is 22 rupees. Then by what percent does his savings increase or decrease? So his new savings is 22 and the old savings is 20 rupees. So it increases by 2 rupees. We have to find the percent. So the difference is 22 minus 20. It is 2 divided by old savings. It is 20 into 100. It is 10% increase. Okay, third option. Next one. State Electricity Board gives 15% discount on electric bills. If it is paid before due date, one person gets 54 rupees as discount. So the amount of actual bill was what? The discount of 15% is given if it is paid before the date. So one person gets 54 rupees as discount. So here 15% is equal to 54 rupees. Okay, so here 1% is what? 1% is 54 divided by 15. So what is the total amount? It is 100% is what? 100% is 54 divided by 15 into 100. Okay, 5 into 3, 5 into 20, 3 into 18. It is 360 rupees is the total amount. Third option. Next one. 1.14 expressed as a percent of 1.9 is what? So here 1.14 divided by 1.9 into 100. It is 114 divided by 1.9. It is 60%. Third option. Next one. If an electricity bill is paid before due date, one gets a reduction of 4% on the amount of the bill. By paying the bill before due date, a person gets a reduction of 13 rupees. So the amount of his electricity bill was what? See, there is a 4% of reduction. So that is 13 rupees. So here 4% is 13. So what is 100%? Okay. So we will divide these two. We will assume the 100% total bill as X rupees. So here we will get X is equal to 1300 divided by 4. It is 4 into 3, 4 to 5. Okay, it is 3 to 5 rupees. Third option. Next one. Two successive price increase of 10% each on an article is equivalent to a single price increase of what? That means 10% increase is done 2 times. Okay, so it is plus 10 plus 10%. So what is the net increase percentage? So here we have a formula. If it is A percent increase or decrease, and if it is B percent increase or decrease, so the net percentage change is plus or minus A plus or minus B plus of plus or minus A into plus or minus B divided by 100. So here A percent is 10% plus 10, okay, and B is also plus 10, okay. A is 10 into 10 divided by 100. It is 20 plus 1. It is 21. So the net percentage increase is 21%. Next one, the price of an article was first increased by 10% and then again by 20%. If the last increased price be 33 rupees, then the original price was what? See, it is first 10% increase and then again plus 20%. Okay, so it is 10 plus 20 plus 10 into 20, it is 200 divided by 100. It is 30 plus 2, it is 32%. Okay, it is 32% increase. So the final increased price is 132. So here 132 is equal to 33 rupees. Okay, 132 is equal to 33. So what is the 100? Original price was, so originally we assumed as 100. Okay, the original price was what? We will assume as x. Here we will find out x. X is equal to 33 into 100 divided by 132. Okay, 11 into 3, 11 into 12, 3 into 4 and again 4 into 25. Okay, so here original price was 25 rupees. First option. Next one, after 30 kgs of water had been evaporated from a solution of salt and water which had 15% salt, the remaining solution had 20% salt. The weight of the original solution was what? So initially the solution had 15% salt. Okay, after the evaporation, the salt percent changed to 20%. So here the salt and water percentage is what? It is 15 is to, initially it had 15% salt and the water is 85%. So if you solve it, you will get 3 is to 17. Okay, and after the evaporation, the salt percentage turned to 20%. Okay, and the water percentage will be 100 minus 20, it is 80%. Okay, if you simplify it, 1 is to 4. Okay, so the ratio of salt is 1 is to 4. Initially it was 3 is to 17 and later it is 1 is to 4. Here the salt remains same, the water that has been changed because of evaporation. So here we will make the salt content same. We will multiply with 3 in the second ratio so that we will get salt quantity same. It is 3 is to 12. Okay, so the difference is in water because this 30 kgs of water had been evaporated. So here 5 units has been decreased in the later ratio. So here 5 units is equal to 30 kgs. So 1 unit is equal to 30 by 5. It is 6 kgs. Okay, the weight of the original solution was what? So this is the original ratio, right? So the original total quantity is what? It is 3 plus 17, it is 20. Okay, 20 units. So here 1 unit is equal to 6 kgs. So 20 units is equal to what? 20 into 6, it is 120 kgs. Okay, third option. Next one, if A's income is 50% less than that of B, then B's income is what percent more than that of A? We have solved this kind of problem in this video. So you do yourself and let me know your answer in the comment box. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.